Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sagar Yadav and today here with me Chaitanya who is placed in Mindtree. So let's start with his introduction and let's get more about him. So Chaitanya, hi, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, yes, Sagar, sure. I'm Chaitanya Tupsamudre. I'm from JNEC. Recently, I got placed in Mindtree.
Yeah, and
That's all about myself.
Chaitanya is placed in Mindtree as a software engineer. So we'll go through his journey from starting to end. So Chaitanya, can you please, in short, can you please tell me the journey in Mindtree and how Mindtree's recruitment is different than other companies?
Yes, Sagar, sure. First of all, Mindtree recruitment process is very good. Although I have attended many different companies, but I feel Mindtree's recruitment process is best because they give me the result of my round one within 5 days, and after that, after 2 3 days, they schedule my technical interview, and also I got the result in the next 2 or 3 days.
Yeah, that's
And in Mindtree, there are three different rounds. First one is aptitude round, and second technical round and HR round. In
okay.
aptitude round, we have the questions from quantitative, verbal, and there are six coding questions. I think there two are basic level, two are advanced level, and two are intermediate level.
Okay. So, talking about the registration process, can you please go through the after registration process? How was your first round was held? That is a aptitude round, right? So, can you please
Yes, yes.
briefly explain me that round?
We got a link. From that, I have applied for the test, and after that, I get a mail regarding the assessment test. And from that, when I given the test, in that there are aptitude round and coding sections. We have to solve this aptitude and coding sections. Aptitude part was quite easy, and coding part is not that much hard, but it is not easy also.
Okay. And how many questions they ask in coding section?
There are total six coding questions, and
Okay.
about aptitude, I don't remember
And
the exact count of the questions.
can have you remember that how many questions from the coding section that you solved?
Yes, I have solved four questions, and fifth one was partially correct, and
Oh.
four questions are passed all the test cases.
And talking about the aptitude section, which section like time and work or time, speed and distance, on which topic they are more focusing on?
Basic topics from aptitude,
Like
such as
what?
time and work,
Uh,
speed and distance, and averages.
okay. And yeah, after your round, how many days they taken to give you the result of that aptitude round?
Yes, within 5 days, I got the result that I have cleared the round one. I think it was a day 1 June or May.
Okay. And talking about the your टेक्निकल राउंड सो उन्होंने कैसा लिया मतलब कितने देर तक चला वो आपका टेक्निकल राउंड और मैंने सुना आपसे पहले भी कि माइंट्री में होते हैं तीन राउंड फर्स्ट इज एप्टीट्यूड फिर टेक्निकल राउंड फिर उसके बाद में एचआर इंटरव्यू राइट तो टेक्निकल राउंड कितने समय के लिए होता है कितनी या फिर उस जब टेक्निकल राउंड होता है तब उसमें पैनल होता है या फिर सिर्फ एक सिंगल कैंडिडेट सिंगल पर्सन होता है जो आपका इंटरव्यू लेता है
यस, टेक्निकल राउंड में एक ही बंदा होता है जो आपका इंटरव्यू लेता है, बट द टाइम ड्यूरेशन इज 25 to 30 minutes, and the technical round is whole about the coding questions.
have they
First of
asked
all, he
you
asked,
and have they asked you to write down the code?
yes, in screen there is a compiler. On that, we have to write the code.
Okay, that's nice. And can you please explain me the whole scenario about and what sort of questions they ask you in TR?
Yes, sure, Sagar. In technical round, first of all, he asked me to introduce myself,
Yes.
and then he asked me about my project, final year project, and he asked some questions on that. And then he started. He asked me to write some codes. He given some situations and how you manage, how you write a solution for it, and all the coding questions. And interview was quite easy, but only technical knowledge is checked,
Okay.
and we
So
have to write the code.
Okay. As you
itself.
told that there are different round. In the technical round, they are mainly focusing on technical skills, right? Are they asking
Yes.
questions from like the core subjects like OOPS, DBMS, and operating system, or they are just focusing on your fundamental knowledges about the coding?
They're focusing about the problem solving approach, how the students approach to solve a particular problem, and
Okay.
that's its data structures and algorithm. They ask me the different time complexities of algorithm, sorting algorithms, ask me for explain those algorithms.
Okay. Which algorithm they ask you to explain?
Yes, bubble sort, merge sort,
Oh, they are
and
asking
also
approx 2 to 3 algorithms.
yeah, yeah, मतलब पूरा डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स और एल्गोरिदम आना ही चाहिए.
अच्छा. एंड कोडिंग प्रॉब्लम्स आपको कौन सा कोडिंग क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था?
टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू में काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे जो कि एरे बेस्ड थे. सपोज आपको एक एरे दिया गया होगा, उसके अंदर जो रिपीटेड एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो काउंट करने हैं, या दो एरे है आपके पास में और अकॉर्डिंग टू अनदर एरे वी हैव टू सॉर्ट द एरे. बस
ओके.
ऐसे बेसिक वाले क्वेश्चंस थे, but we have to write the code for it and explain well, then and then you can clear the technical round.
और जैसे कि आपने बताया तो मैं एक आइडेंटिफाई कर रहा हूँ कि अगर आपको माइंड्री में प्लेस होना चाहते हो तो आपका बेसिक नॉलेज अबाउट द ऑल द फंडामेंटल थिंग्स लाइक एरे स्ट्रिंग मैनिपुलेशन then the basics of data structures, you should have a command on that, right? You should able to write down the code for that, and you should well known about all the sorting algorithms, right? If you know these things, then you will able to clear the round rather than focusing on the DBMS and operating system. Are also the most important part in this case, right? They haven't that much go into the deep in DBMS and OS.
Yes, but they ask the real life applications on OOPS and operating systems.
Yeah, that's nice. So basically, they are checking the fundamental knowledge that you have in your core subjects. Yeah.
Yes.
And moving towards your HR interview, can you please tell me after how many days they given you the result of your technical interview?
After 4 or 5 days, I got the HR mail,
Okay,
and
that's
on 12th day, I have an HR interview, and HR interview काफी अच्छा रहा था.
okay. And can you please explain in brief about your that HR interview?
Sure, Sagar. In HR interview experience, it is quite good, and इसके अंदर काफी सारे basic questions पूछे गए थे. First of all, he asked me to introduce myself, then about final year project, and then basic questions such as do you have a laptop, internet connection, do you have PAN card, and after that he asked me to why Mindtree.
Okay.
Then I have enlist some facts about Mindtree. Then he again asked me why should I hire you, and again what are the skills that you have, what the
Oh,
programming language I use to solve the coding problem. And one of the question was from aptitude side. Before that
there.
questions, yes, before that question he asked me I am done, and do you have any questions. Then I have asked one questions, what are the skills that should I improve before joining the Mindtree. Then he tell me that forget about Mindtree. For any company there are the skills that are required are communication skills and good problem solving. And after that he asked me one aptitude questions, which is we have to cut the cake, rounded cake, in 3 cuts
Okay.
of 8 different pieces.
Okay.
And first of all I think about it, and I'm not able to give the exact answer as he want, but he liked the way I approached that problem.
Yes.
And at last he said it was a great you have quickly responded to. First of all I'm said that first of all you have to cut the cake in 2 halves, and then again we have to cut that two 4 parts into the 8 parts. And
Oh,
again he added some basic cases such as suppose you have a coffins in that on that cake and I want each piece has each coffin, and that discussion was great.
wow, that's nice. And I guess because of this, you are talking about Mindtree is such a good company, such a nice company. They are taking process so seamlessly, right? And I guess the HR is also a helpful in the situation, right?
Yes, HR is too friendly.
Yeah, that's so nice. And talking about the duration of your HR interview, how much time he takes?
It's 20 minutes approx.
ओके। और एक चीज ये मैंने पहली बार सुना कि एचआर इंटरव्यू में वो आपको एप्टीट्यूड क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हैं, बट rather than asking about the time and work and anything, they are asking you questions from the logical section, right? Basically, how you build your logic.
Yes.
And talking about the guidance, what guidance you will give to your junior students, those who are preparing for placement in Mindtree? And I hope जो भी ये वीडियोस देख रहे होंगे कि वो बहुत ही क्यूरियस होंगे Mindtree को लेकर, क्योंकि जैसे आपने बताया कि Mindtree एक बहुत अच्छी कंपनी है जिसकी रिक्रूटमेंट बहुत स्लीमलेसली होती है, बहुत जल्दी से रिजल्ट्स आते हैं, बहुत जल्दी से वो आपको मेल फॉरवर्ड करते हैं. So it was a nice experience in Mindtree that you have, and I hope a lot of students from the junior, they are interested in Mindtree. So what guidance you want to give to those students who are preparing for Mindtree? Not only for Mindtree, for other companies too.
Yes, as my HR says, for to get placement on any company, you have first of all good communication skills, aptitude skills, and good problem solving.
Right.
These things are must to get a placement on any
Okay.
company.
And as I know you that from as you are my friend, and I know you rejected in some of the previous companies like TCS and other companies, right? And
Yes.
so how you handle that pressure, being rejected in lot of different companies and getting placed into not only in this Mindtree also and other companies? So how you manage that pressure?
Yes, Sagar, this story was long. Exactly 6 months back, I got rejected from TCS
Yes.
from technical round, and technical interview was quite easy, but I have ruined it because I know the answers of all the questions, but I don't know how to answer them correctly and how to
Yes.
what exactly we have to say in that interview. Due to that, I got rejection from TCS, and after that again I have given the persistence from that again I have got the rejection from technical interview. From that I have discovered that I need to work on my coding skills, and in that the main reason for the rejection from persistent is that I am not able to solve the code on the string hashing.
Yes.
So I'm not able to do that code, so I got the rejections. And all this past experience, I have discovered that these are the things that necessary to get a placement, and I have worked on it. And finally, I got placed in Mindtree.
Yes.
Basically, this is the journey, and it is quite good. I have learned a lot of things from it.
Yes, this is so nice journey that you have. और I guess जब भी हमसे मिस्टेक होती है या फिर जब भी कोई बंदा रिजेक्शन को फेस करता है, तो अपने बारे में काफी चीजें जान लेता है कि वो कहाँ पर कम पड़ रहा है, right? And this
हाँ.
was so nice that you are coming on this channel and talking these things to us. And I know कि आपका कम्युनिकेशन कैसा था 6 महीने पहले एंड अब वो कैसा है. इट वाज इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट. इफ मैं अगर आपसे 6 महीने पहले बात करता था तो यू वेर लैक इन कॉन्फिडेंस, बट राइट नाउ यू हैव एन हाई कॉन्फिडेंस इन यू. So this is so nice, and I guess a lot of junior students are just thinking about their communication skills. यार मेरे को इंग्लिश नहीं आती, मेरे को बोलना नहीं आता. बट जैसे आप उस प्रोसेस में से जाओगे इंटरव्यू के कि यू विल लर्न बाय डिफॉल्ट. सो वो एक प्रोसेस होती है, तो उतना ज्यादा उस पर फोकस नहीं देना चाहिए. Work on your skills, work on your coding skills, work on your communication skills. By default they will get improved. I hope it was a nice interview experience with you, Chaitanya. Thank you for coming on this channel. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with all the students, and I hope we'll do more videos on Mindtree, because as you said that Mindtree has a very good recruitment process, and I hope its work culture is that much good level. So we'll do a lot of videos on that.
Sure, Sagar.
Yes, so thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till have a great day and always keep smiling. Bye bye.